Hi, Montessori parents. I'm so excited to share the photos of last week with you. For those of you who don't know me, I am Julia Lorraine Peterson, and I'm actually an alum of MDTL. So a couple things to note. All print orders must be in by Friday, March 6th at midnight. I'm a small business, so I have to put everything in at one time. Don't worry, you will get a reminder about that. Digital files you can do anytime, and those will be available to the end of the school year. Those will just go straight into your inbox. All right, so this is a private landing page. Only people with the link can end up here. So we'll just scroll down to go to photos. Just take note of the password, which is Maria Montessori. All right, so go ahead and click on go to photos, and that will take you here. I'm just going to open the gallery. I do ask for email addresses, and that's just so that I can communicate with you about your order. I won't add you to a newsletter or anything like that. The first thing you'll notice is the class photo. That is of the Acorn class. We do have a couple new students who joined mid-year. If you would like the photo that was taken in the fall of your classroom, just email me and let me know if that's something you'd like. All right, so every child has their own folder. I'm just gonna hit click on Lilette, and if you just click on a photo, it's the easiest way. And I'm gonna hit Buy Photo to show you the options. So first you'll see the packages. Just know that the package is for a single pose only. So if you did package A, you would get wallets and 2 5x7s of just this photo. You can also do as many packages as you want if you wanted to do other photos as well. You can also do single items, and there's the options there, as well as canvases, which are really cool. The 10x10 may look a little strange because it's a square. Just know that I will adjust the crop to make that look right before it goes to the printers. I also have digitals. So you could do just this photo, which would be here, or you could do all the photos in the album, which would be here. If you have also a sibling album and you wanted to get both albums, all the photos in the album, then there is a code for that, a discount code, which is siblings. So just know that. She did do one with her sister. We'll just go back and look at it. Yeah, and that is just for digitals of the entire album. I hope that's not confusing. All right, so prints will be delivered to the school about 2 weeks after the ordering period closes. Digitals will go right to your inbox. If you have any questions about anything, please just email me directly. It's a lot easier than if it goes to the school and then to me. So please, just email me directly. Anyways, I had such a great time. I hope you love them. Thank you so much for having me back this year.